work it. JPS is here working in Lacovia, so Lacovia look like gonna soon get back current. And men are working pretty hard.
Alright, so far, yeah, here say, rumor say by tomorrow we should have Lacovia should get some current by tomorrow, which is Monday. So yeah man, they really work hard. They really work hard. Cause day and night, you know, day and night.
Okay.
They might do this, you know, day and night. So yeah man, people, we glad to say the thing a move and we are seeing the progress now. So you understand, cause the generator, the gas really a kill it. The generator, me I tell you. I appreciate the JPS at the moment. I tell you, the generator, the gas, the thing a kill you, man. If you maintain the generator, it's rough. You understand? Yeah man.
Yes, man.
Yeah man, me I tell you, they work hard too, man. They work hard, man. I like them work hard. Hard, me I tell you. Me agree with them, man. I like them, man. I tell you. We see the progress. We see, you understand? See, we hear them say, alright, I work hard to deal with it. I will restore credit by such and such a time. Right now, it's possible. Yeah, poor sir, man, I work his hard, man. I wonder if he, poor sir, man, over this, put them on a tree there, you know. Like him, I put them on a coconut tree. Yeah, man, see, man. Man, him brave, man. I wonder if he, like him have any strap, man, safety thing. Him go on with that thing over there, so. Hey, boy, poor sir, you alright, sir? Hope you take care of yourself, you know, man. I'm about to drop off, you know. Yeah, man, so I do some work. Yeah, man, so as I say, it look good. It look good in the Lacovia, man. It look good. Because Lacovia get devastated now. Mash up pad, man. Mash up pad. Yeah, man. Mash up pad, me I tell you. So, come a far away, man. You know, Lacovia come a far away. We want to show some rest of police. We want to show some rest of police and thing, and you know, we want to see the, you know, showing the devastation. You know, we have some clip with some, we have shown some clip with when the hurricane that take place. Because even things that's ceremonious, that's what clip for showing. Never clip for showing already. A man get on a rooftop. I try to put on the zinc while Melissa I hit. You understand? A blast full 100 man in a storm. I try to put on the whole stop, people. I was showing that video there. Yeah man. I try to put on the zinc. You know whole stop, the zinc. Yeah man. Zinc, I showing that video, man. And next, I showing the video.